Hello everyone. Today I am going to start accountancy grade 11th and chapter 1. The name of your subject is accountancy. The name of first chapter is meaning and objectives of accounting. Meaning and objectives of accounting. Before starting the meaning of accounting, now the question arises, why is the accounting needed? At the end of each year, all the businessmen wants to know how much they have earned, how much they have gained or how much they have lost during the year, then how much they have to take from others and how much they have to pay to others. For obtaining all such information, it is essential to keep a complete record of all the transactions being done during the year. Got my point? For knowing the amount of profit or loss, or for getting some other informations like to whom we have to pay, from whom we have to take, means all the answer of all these questions lies with accounting. If we make proper systematic record of all the business transactions, we can easily know what we have earned during the year. That is why accounting is necessary. Coming to the meaning of accounting, accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money all the business transactions. All the business transactions are recorded and classified. Now recording is like on a single page. Classification means dividing, like Ram's account, Shyam's account, Mohan's, Sohan, everyone's classification. Then they are summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money only. All those transactions are recorded in accounting which are measurable, capable of measurable in terms of money. Means we have to keep the record of all the business transactions during the year. Proper systematic record. In this class, you will learn how to keep proper systematic record of business transactions. Throughout the year, you will learn this, the basic of accounting. Now the main topic comes characteristics of accounting. What type of accounting is? What are the main characteristics of accounting? Number 1, accounting is an art as well as science. Now how is it is an art and how is it is in science? Art is the technique of attaining some predetermined objectives. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing business transactions with a view to ascertain the net profit. Means through art we can ascertain the profits or losses of the business. And on the same similarity, any organization or any organized body of knowledge which is based on certain specified principles is called science. And in accounting, we are having certain specified principles. On this very basis, we can say that accounting is also a science. Second point, recording of financial transactions only. As I told earlier, only those transactions and events are recorded in accounting which are of financial character. There are so many transactions in the business which are very important for business, but which cannot be measured in terms of money. Hence, they will not be recorded in accounting. Only those transactions will be recorded which are capable in measurement of in terms of money. Then recording in terms of money. Now suppose we have purchased 200 chairs and 10 tables. Will we record this? We will record in terms of money that we have purchased 200 chairs of rupees this and 10 tables of rupees this. Total purchase price will be recorded. Along with the quantity, the price must be recorded. So recording in terms of money only. Means whichever is we are recording, we will record in terms of money. 200 chairs along with their price will be recorded. Then classifying. What do you mean by classifying? After recording the transaction in proper books, we have to classify them. And in classification, we group the similar nature of transactions in a particular place. If suppose we are dealing with Ram since a year, Ram's transaction will be recorded at one place. we are dealing with Sham. Sham's recording will be done at one place. We are dealing with Mohan. Mohan's recording at different place. Separate account for separate person or separate thing, that is called classification. And after that classification, we will summarize them. Meaning we will calculate at the end of the year what we have to pay, what we have to take. Summarizing means totaling up of all the accounts. Then finding their results, interpretation of their results means what we have gained and what we have lost. We have to ascertain the results. Interpretation of result means finding the results after summarizing. Then it's not only about the calculation of results, it's also about to communicate the results. To whom we have to communicate? First of all, the owner of the business would like to know what they have earned in the year and what they have lost. First of all, owners will be interested in the results. Then number 2, employees. Employees are also interested in knowing the results. On the basis of the results, they will ask for the bonus or they will leave the organization if the organization is going to losses. Owners, for employees, for government. Government always plans for us. 5-year plan is there, 1-year plan is there. All plans are done on the basis of information given by the business organizations to government. For tax authorities, they would also like to know your results, actual results. On the basis of this, they will come to know that you have given correct tax or not. So many other parties are there which we will discuss later. Now main characteristics I have discussed. Accounting is an art as well as science. Recording of financial transactions only. Non-financial transactions are never recorded in accounting. And recording in terms of money. Suppose 200 shares will not be recorded. It will be recorded along with their price. Classification. Classification means recording of different preparation of different accounts for everybody. Summarizing means totaling up of all the accounts. Then interpretation of results means finding the conclusions of their accounts. And then the results will be communicated to respective people. Thank you.